You know, Mapungubwe, it's so beautiful. The landscape here is the most beautiful landscape. You'll never get such landscape in South Africa. Many people, they love to come to this national park for its heritage.
The one that is famous is Mapungubwe Heritage Tour Site and Walk, where it's a trip to Mapungubwe Hill while the guide will be explaining the history of Mapungubwe National Park. And we also have your walks where the two guides will be taking you. It will be a walk in the wilderness where they'll be showing you the things that we have in the park.
When you come back, you will feel like you were there when those people existed. And the other two guys that we have, they specialize on the game drive, the morning walk. When you join them, you will really, really enjoy the information that they're going to give you about our vegetation that we have around the park and also the game.
I pick up an elephant footprint on the ground now. So we're trying to trace him. I guess there's water somewhere. It should be leading to the water.
In Mapungubwe National Park, you get to go to the conference, and we're having about 4 different viewing decks. So on those decks, you'll be able to see the meeting point of Zimbabwe, Botswana and South Africa.
And we also have your museum tour, where they can take you to the museum while they explain also the history of Mapungubwe National Park.
We have about 5 types of accommodation, which we're trying to cover for all different types of needs to tourists. So we're having camping sites, we have type of bush camps, we have a tented camp, we have a main camp, and we also have a guest cottage, which is Chuguru Lodge.